Hello, good day everyone. Our topic for today is application maintenance and monitoring report. And the application I chose is WebEx. And assuming that I am the developer of this application, I'm Dinkane A. Ronquillo. And the category of this application are video conferencing and collaboration. And the users of this application are over 650 million monthly participants worldwide. Overview. As a developer of WebEx, the application goal is to create a secure, reliable, and high-performing platform that makes online communication easy for everyone. WebEx allows users, whether businesses, teachers, or students, to hold meetings, collaborate, and send messages across any device. So the goal of this application is to create a secure, reliable, and high-performing platform na kung saan magagamit mo siya sa online communication. Magagamit mo siya sa mga businesses or yung mga teachers or students para makagawa sila ng meetings, makapag-collaborate, at makapag-send ng messages sa kahit anumang devices. So let's move on the advantages of this application. Data security implements end-to-end encryption or E2EE for meetings, chats, and file sharing. So this application uses end-to-end encryption na kung saan ine-encrypt niya yung mga meetings, chats, at mga file na sinesend nyo doon or sinishare nyo doon. For example, sa team nyo, nag-uusap kayo about sa confidential project. Lahat ng pag-uusapan nyo doon o lahat ng file na i-share nyo doon, lahat ng yon naka-encrypt. At ang makaka-decrypt lang nun ay yung mga participant sa meeting na yon. And the next one is employs multi-factor authentication or MFA for secure user access. So, gumagamit rin ang WebEx ng MFA na kung saan, for example, kapag nag-login yung user, meron pang magtatanong sa kanya na another verification code na nasend sa phone niya bago siya makapag-login ng totally sa WebEx. And the third one is uses secure real-time transport protocol or SRTP to protect audio and video data from interception. So gumagamit rin ng WebEx ng SRTP na kung saan ine-encrypt niya yung mga audio at video habang natatransmit sila. This prevents hackers from listening or intercepting sa meeting ninyo. So let's move on massive data handling. Operates on a reliable cloud infrastructure that ensures stable performance for millions of users simultaneously. So the WebEx application runs on a powerful cloud system which ensures stable performance kahit na marami ang gumagamit sa application na to. And the second one is integrates AI-powered optimization for noise cancellation and adaptive video quality. So the WebEx uses also a AI or artificial intelligence para sa noise cancellation and adaptive video quality na kung saan kusang mag-a-adjust ang quality ng video. So let's move on system upgrades. Compatibility testing across devices and operating systems ensures smooth user experiences. So this application was tested across devices such as tablets, laptops, smartphones, and operating systems such as Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac OS na kung saan para ma-ensure na smooth gagana yung application sa kahit anumang devices o anumang operating systems. And the next one is continuous feedback and analytics help guide improvement decisions for performance and usability. So this application collects user feedback na kung saan makakatulong para mas ma-improve pa yung application, para mas ma-improve pa yung performance ng application. So let's move on the advantages of this application. Data security risk. Possible phishing or unauthorized access if users share meeting links publicly. So maaaring magkaroon ng phishing or unauthorized access kapag ang mga users or ang user is share niya yung meeting links publicly. And the next one is users may neglect security settings, increasing risk of privacy breaches. So yung mga users is may chances na hahayaan lang nila yung security settings, hindi na nila isa-set up na kung saan mag-increase ng risk sa privacy breaches. Let's move on massive data challenges. High server load during global events or large-scale webinars may cause temporary slowdowns. So kapag maraming user na gagamit ng Webex or magjo-join ng Webex at the same time, such as sa mga large webinars, magkakaroon ng heavy loads na kung saan magkokos ng temporary slowdowns such as delay, lags, or pwede rin mabawasan yung quality ng video. Then the next one is requires large bandwidth for HD video, which may affect users with unstable internet connection. So this application requires large bandwidth or fast internet para magkaroon ng HD video. Then kung unstable yung internet mo or mabagal yung internet mo, it may cause lag, freeze, or ibababa niya yung quality ng video. So let's move on system upgrades issues. Updates may cause temporary compatibility issues with outdated devices or operating system. So, habang nag-update or kapag mag-update, magkakaroon ng temporaring compatibility issue if yung devices or yung operating system is outdated sila. And the next one is users in low bandwidth areas may experience slower update, downloads, or installation failures. So yung mga users na mababagal yung internet nila is makaka-experience sila ng mabagal na pag-update or pag-download or may chances din na mag-fail yung installation nila. Let's move on actions during system failures. The first one is automatic backup and recovery. Meeting data, chat logs, and recordings are backup across multiple servers. So lahat ng meeting data, chat logs, and recordings are backup sa iba't ibang servers na kung saan nag-aalaw sa mga users na ma-access pa rin nila yung mga information nila sa application. And the second one is failover and redundancy systems. Backup servers automatically activate if the primary server fails. So merong mga backup servers na magra-run ng automatically kapag yung main server nag-fail. This ensures that the meetings or services continue to run with minimal interruption. So the third one is incident response team. Alerts are triggered automatically for anomalies, allowing immediate investigation and resolution. So this application has a incident response team na kung saan minomonitor nila yung application para if ever na may anomaly is madedetect at automatically madedetekto at ang mga incident response team is investigahin yon at gagawan ng solusyon. And the last one is user communication and transparency. Webex alerts users about maintenance or outages and shares recovery updates on the status page. So, this application informs users in advance about maintenance or unexpected outages. And nag-share din siya ng recovery updates on the status page para malaman ng mga user kung ano na status ng application. Conclusion: Webex maintains its position as a leading collaboration platform through continuous monitoring, regular upgrades, and proactive security measures. Despite challenges in managing large-scale data and maintaining compatibility across global networks, the system's robust backup, redundancy, and response strategies ensure minimal downtime and high reliability. Ongoing innovation and performance optimization reinforce user trust and enhance the overall meeting experience. WebEx stays reliable through regular updates, strong security, and backup systems. Despite challenges with large-scale use, its redundancy and quick issue response ensure smooth, secure, and trusted meetings.